Danielle House offices in Manchester. Now within this project we have fitted the Nouveau Drift Shift carpet tiles. It's a huge office with multiple rooms. These offices went for a transition pattern in the Nouveau Drift Shift carpet tiles, which gives the office such a pop and an amazing modern chic vibe. So I'm going to stop talking now and show you around these amazing new carpet tiles. The Nouveau Drift Shift comes in 13 different colourways and it's a gradient carpet tile. That means that you combine them both together to create a unique pattern or use it to separate spaces out, such as a staff room from a breakout room. We're that sure of this product that it does come with a 15-year guarantee, so you can be sure to know that this will last you a very long time. This project was rated excellent across the board, so you can be sure to know that our fitters are going to do an amazing job when it comes to your project. So, like you've seen just then, if your office is a pet-friendly office, then these carpet tiles are the perfect ones for you. Pets, dogs, cats, anything can run over them without any issues whatsoever. They are super easy to clean, and if you need to replace one, then just replace the one. No replacing the whole carpet like you would if you have broad loom. So give us a call today, one of our sales team will be there to help. Also remember, you can get absolutely free samples on our website, so just head to dctuk.com and just put them in your basket. So get shopping on Nouveau Drift Shift carpet tiles today.